This video will cover using nested if statements with the example of a gradebook. We're going to use nested if statements to compare the number score with the scale we've established and return the letter grade. The first if statement is going to see if the final grade is greater than or equal to the lowest number of the highest scale. If so, we want it to return this cell's value. If not, then is the final grade greater than or equal to the second tier's starting point? If so, return this cell. If not, then is the final grade greater than or equal to the starting point of the third tier? If so, return what is in this cell. If not, then is this final grade greater than or equal to the fourth tier starting point? And if so, return what is in this cell. If it is not greater than this number, then it falls within the final lowest point. So we want to return whatever is in the cell representing the lowest level. And now we need a close parentheses for each of our if statements, and we hit enter. And we see that Excel has correctly assigned the grade of B for this final numeric grade. But before I copy this down, I need to anchor or make absolute the row numbers for all of the references in my grading scale area. So I'm going to put $ in front of the row numbers. I do want the row numbers to change, though. For the final grade, it is checking in column D. So I'm not going to put a $ in front of that row number. And when I copy down the formula, we see that Excel has correctly classified each final grade. But of course, it's not limited to just a single letter. We can have it return a phrase or a full word, such as platinum, gold, silver, bronze, or no ranking, if that is what we're dealing with. And now you have a great example of how to use nested if statements.